This video we will learn about advanced arithmetic operations. In last video you learn doing some basic arithmetic operation like plus, minus, multiply, divide. So in this video we will learn about I mean doing some like square, this kind of things. So let's add a code here. So now just let's add one more code cell. Okay, and let's suppose I'm using p equal to uh, here I want to just calculate the square of a. So I for to calculating a square I will just write like uh, double star. So in previous section I show you like to calculate for multiplication we use single star like we do everywhere in other programming languages like a star b, so it will multiply the values. And now we are just trying to calculate a square of this, so I will write 2 star and then I will write here 2. Okay, now let's print it. So let's print b and let's see what is the result of it. So it should show like a is equal to 5, so it should show 25. Okay, this is very easy in Python. So you can see the output is 25. Similarly, if you want to calculate, let's suppose cube of it, so this is also very simple. Let me just copy it. Okay, and let me create one more code snippet here, and now let's do some changes here. To calculate cube of a, we just need to write here like this, a double star and 3, so it will calculate as 125. Here it is. So it was very simple. Okay, now let me show you this as well. If I write 1 star like a and multiply by 2, it should give you 10. Okay, and if I just write double star, so it is calculating square and it will give you 25. Similarly here, if you just write a star 3, so it should give you 15. And if I write double star 3, then it will calculate the cube of a. Okay, similarly you can find any kind of, let's suppose I'm writing 4, then it should calculate 125, 625. So here you go. So this is very easy in Python. Okay, so I think we are good to go here. We are done with it. uh, Thank you.